Today we're going to be unboxing Gothic Beauty box number 57. I love Gothic Beauty. They have these amazing boxes that you can purchase. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to purchase one for yourself. But they have been around forever, and they have all sorts of articles in here on music and trends and makeup and fashion and just the Gothic subculture. So go check it out for yourselves. So I'm going to go through this box with you guys. So they have, like, you know, some stickers. They have an association with lip service and some postcards and stuff. And then they usually have jewelry in their box, and I always love their stuff because it like totally fits my style, and it's like stuff that I would wear. So they have in this box a pendant with a beautiful red background with some bats. It's like awesome, like vampire, like Gothic style. So pretty. And then next we have a spider brooch. So spooky. You can put it like on your shirt. You can put it on like your jacket, like a lapel of your jacket. It will look so cool and creepy. And then they have this cool Gothic Beauty coffin box that you can open up and put like your jewelry in and stuff. This stuff like this comes in like super handy for like little like rings or like necklaces and stuff like that. It's made out of wood. Super cool. And then next we have these awesome arm sleeves or arm warmers, whatever you want to call them. And this one's like a distressed sort of like zombie-ish type of material looking design, and it always has like the thumb holes in it. Here you go. Here's a thumb hole. There you go, thumb hole. So these are super cool. I really like these. I don't have anything like that. And then they usually have makeup in their box, and this is Lashy Doodle, and they usually have like, it's two-ended. So one end is a stamp, and this one's a star, and then the other end is just a regular felt tip liner. I love their eyeliner. It works so well, and I always like need like a liquid, cool like liquid eyeliner. So there was a bug in my face. And then next we have some black tube lipstick, and this is by Pretty Asteroid Cosmetics. Dark Asteroid Pretty Pitch Black Lipstick. You can never have enough black lipstick, just saying. I love the tube that it comes in. Really cool looking. And then lastly we have some perfume. It's Spooky Spirits Candy Apple Curses. 100% pure and natural. It smells wicked good. Oh my god, it's so good. And that's it. So it's like so much stuff in here. It's definitely worth it. If you want to purchase one for yourselves, it's linked down below. There's all the information for you guys. Definitely check it out. Like I said, like I love all their stuff. I use it all the time. Like I even have stuff like on my, not my makeup table over here, like different makeups that they've got in their boxes before, like different eyeliners, different accessories, different pieces of jewelry. So it's definitely worth it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video.